So today we will be finding out if 2/8 is bigger or smaller than 5/12 using two different methods. In the first method, we will be using conversion to decimals. So we convert the fractions into decimals by dividing the numerator by the denominator. So 2 divided by 8 equals 25 hundredths. And 5 divided by 12 equals 41 hundredths. So we know that 25 hundredths equals 2/8 and 41 hundredths equals 5/12. By looking at both of these decimals, we can tell which fraction is greater than the other by moving left to right, seeing which number in the decimal is greater. So in this case, in the ones place, 2 is less than 4, so that means 5/12 is greater. 5/12 is greater than 2/8. In method 2, we'll be using the common denominator method, which means you find a common multiple that is both in 8 and 12. So we can just list multiples until we find a common one. So 8, multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, and some multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36. Oh, we have a common multiple, which is 24. 8 times 3 equals 24, and 12 times 2 equals 24. So we will be multiplying 2/8 by 3 over 3 and 5/12 by 2 over 2. 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 8 equals 24. 5 times 2 equals 10, and 12 times 2 equals 24. So now we have the same number of equally sized pieces. So from there we have to look at the numerator, which are copies of the unit fraction, to see which fraction is larger than the other. In this case, 6, we have 6 pieces of the 6 copies of the unit fraction, and in this case, in 5/12, we have 10 copies of the unit fraction. 10 is greater than 6, so therefore 5/12 is greater than 2/8